Well, it's kind of a rainy, nasty day here in Maine. I've got some kind of cold, kind of getting over it, but I still can hear my voice. I'm kind of congested. But I got something today that I was not really expecting. I already had this paella pan. Actually, I have two of them. I guess when I ordered it, I didn't realize I was ordering two. It actually came from Spain, which is nice. This is some pretty rugged steel, and it is wicked heavy. So, but what I got today in the mail, interestingly enough, is this. Now this is a 3-ring burner, and also from Spain. It's exactly, what it looks like it's for. It's for a paella pan. It's also pretty rugged. It has 3 controllers right there in that orange part you can see. So each one of those rings, the temperature can be controlled, so you get a even cooking, or you can control where the heat's applied on the bottom of this paella pan. And I don't know that I'll have the time this weekend, but I think this coming week I will probably make a test batch of paella, green crab paella. Now this technically is supposed to be able to serve about 30 people, but I'm not going to feed 30 people this week. I'm just going to really try to season the pan and get a feel for how that burner works. I probably also will need to get some sort of a base or table fabricated to get this raised up a bit so it's not sitting right on the ground. But I'm pretty interested in how this is going to work, and looking forward to making some green crab paella and developing that recipe this year.